Okuba ebifaananyi mulimu ogulabibwa ng'ogwabo abalemeddwa mu nsi wabula kino tekimala mu bantu banjawulo okubeera nga beewaayo nabo okuvuganya mu mpaka ez'enjawulo. Okusinziira ku bantu abamu abawanguzi abawangudde empaka ez'enjawulo bagamba nti gavumenti esaanidde okuvaayo okudduukirira abamu ku bakubi b'ebifaananyi wano mu nnyaffe Uganda olw'ensonga nti kuno kwe kusoomoozebwa kubasinga okuyitamu.
First of all, what the government could do for us artists is one, sponsoring artists, at least an exhibition once a year. If they invested money in one exhibition for every artist, bring every kind of art you do, everybody would be happy. They would have a goal to achieve. You're only going to sell your art in September. You're not making money. People later quit. But imagine we had these competitions, big competitions in schools. It starts from down, O level, A level, inter-school competitions. Schools start having these competitions. They're given prizes. From there, they will get the morale. And then we'll generate more artists and promote talent in the country.
Akoze okusaba kuno ye Brian Mukisa ng'ono Munnayuganda eyeetabye mu mpaka eza Big Art Master Africa Competition ezabaddewo omwaka oguwedde. Mu mpaka zino mwetabiddwamu abantu abawerako era nga ye ekifaananyi kye kyalondeddwa abantu bonna nga balaga nga ekirimu obubaka obw'enjawulo. Ono asobodde okwogera ku buwanguzi bwe yatuuseeko.
Was around Africa. We were all supposed to submit a maximum of 3 art pieces. Yeah. After I saw the advert, immediately I didn't even have my work. I started working on these art pieces, 3 art pieces, because I wanted to submit all the 3 so that I could have higher chances of winning the competition. I had to choose Camilla as the model, and this is the award-winning art piece. It had around 820 votes around Africa. The second in line is an art piece I also did with around 815.
Empaka zino zaategekeddwa ku mutendera gwa Ssemazinga wa Africa era nga abateesiteesi aba BIC bavuddeyo ne batangaza ku mpaka zino awamu n'abo abazeetabyemu. Paloma Lengema, kitunzi wa BIC, atangaza ku mbeera eno.
First edition we received more than 5,000 submissions from 2,400 artists from 47 countries. So the Big Art Master champion is an artist called Fatou Aboudou. He's from Benin. He made a piece named Black Lion. It's a portrait of a half man, half lion. And so he was elected the Big Art Master champion from our panel of jury.
Empaka zino zeetagibwamu abantu ab'enjawulo abakuba ebifaananyi nga bakozesa peeni. Yisa Kigongo kulwa Channel 44 Oleguro.